The best caipiroska passion fruit cocktail. Trust me, this drink is a game changer. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my passion fruit cocktail caipiroska. It's a refreshing and fruity drink that's perfect for any occasion. First, start by cutting a fresh passion fruit in half and scooping out the seeds into a glass. Next, add in a tablespoon of sugar to sweeten it up a bit. Now, it's time to muddle the passion fruit and sugar together to release all those delicious flavors. Make sure to really crush the seeds to get the most out of them. Once that's done, fill the glass with ice to keep your drink nice and cold. Then, pour in a shot of vodka. I like using a good quality vodka for that smooth finish. Give everything a good stir to mix it all together. You want to make sure that the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the drink. Finally, top it off with some soda water for a little fizz and garnish with a slice of fresh lime for that extra pop of citrus. The taste. It's a perfect balance of sweet and tangy, with the refreshing kick of fresh passion fruit. The vodka adds a smooth finish that just ties it all together. Now, let's talk about the texture. It's icy cold and perfectly blended, making it so satisfying to sip on a hot summer day. And let's not forget about the presentation. The vibrant color of the passion fruit mixed with the clear vodka makes it not only delicious but also visually appealing. Finally, top it off with some soda water for a little fizz and garnish with a slice of fresh lime for that extra pop of citrus. And there you have it, my passion fruit cocktail caipiroska is ready to enjoy. It's the perfect balance of sweet and tart, with a kick of vodka to liven things up. So next time you're looking for a delicious and easy cocktail to make at home, give this recipe a try. Cheers! Overall, this cocktail is a must-try for any cocktail lover. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass. So next time you're looking for something refreshing and unique, give this caipiroska passion fruit cocktail a try. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to tune in. Your support means the world to me.